Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of your phone giving up on you right in the middle of an intense gaming session? Do you dream of a device that doesn't just keep up, but actually powers ahead? Well, stop dreaming, because the future of mobile performance is here, and it's called the Honor GT2. This isn't just another smartphone, it's a beast in your pocket, specifically engineered for the most demanding users and hardcore gamers out there. If you live for speed, power, and flawless performance, you're going to want to hear every single detail about this powerhouse. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into what makes the Honor GT2 a true game changer. Let's start with the heart of this beast, the processor. Honor is holding nothing back. The GT2 is set to pack the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon Flagship chipset. We're talking about a cutting-edge octa-core CPU paired with a monstrously powerful 180 GPU. What does this mean for you? It means zero lag, instantaneous response times, and the ability to run the most graphically intensive games at their highest settings without breaking a sweat. This isn't just about playing games, it's about experiencing them in a way you never thought possible on a mobile device. Every tap, every swipe, every action is processed with lightning speed, giving you the competitive edge you need to dominate the leaderboard. It's pure, unadulterated power, ready to be unleashed at your command. Now, what good is all that power if you can't see the action in stunning detail? Honor has you covered with a display that is simply breathtaking. The GT2 features a massive 6.7-inch AMOLED screen. But it's not just big, it's brilliant. We're talking about a jaw-dropping 3.2K resolution. Every image, every video, every game world will be rendered with incredible sharpness, vibrant colors, and deep, inky blacks. Your content will literally pop off the screen. And for the gamers, here's the magic number: a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. This means every scroll, every animation, and every frantic in-game movement is fluid and buttery smooth. It eliminates motion blur and provides a level of responsiveness that feels incredibly natural and immersive. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or navigating a complex virtual world, this display delivers a truly premium top-tier visual experience that will spoil you for anything less. It's a powerful phone, needs a powerful battery, and the Honor GT2 is an absolute marathon runner. Inside this sleek device lies a colossal 6,000 mAh battery. Let that sink in. This isn't just an all-day battery. For many, this will be a 2-day battery. You can game for hours, stream content, and stay connected without constantly glancing at your battery percentage or being tethered to a wall outlet. It's designed to match your high-energy lifestyle, and when you finally do need to top up, you won't be waiting long. The GT2 supports blazing fast charging, so you can get back in the action in a fraction of the time. This combination of massive capacity and rapid charging means your phone spends more time in your hand and less time plugged in. It's the kind of power endurance that truly sets you free. Let's talk about memory and storage, because in today's digital world, you can never have enough. The Honor GT2 is built for serious multitasking and massive media libraries. You'll have the option of choosing between a huge 12GB or a mind-boggling 16GB of RAM. With this much memory, you can have dozens of apps open, switch between them instantly, and your phone won't even flinch. It's the end of app reloads and slowdowns. And for storing all your games, high-resolution photos, 4K videos, and more, the GT2 offers storage options that go all the way up to a massive 1TB. That's desktop-level storage in the palm of your hand. You can download your entire game library and still have room to spare. This isn't just about convenience. It's about removing all limitations and allowing you to use your phone exactly how you want to, without ever worrying about running out of space or performance. While the GT2 is a performance-focused titan, it doesn't skimp on the cameras. On the back, you'll find a versatile dual camera setup designed to capture crisp, clear, and vibrant photos in a variety of situations. Whether you're snapping a quick shot of a beautiful landscape or a detailed close-up, the rear cameras are engineered to deliver great results. And for all your selfies and video calls, the front of the device houses a high-quality 16-megapixel shooter. It ensures you always look your best, with sharp details and natural colors. Running everything is the smooth and intelligent Magic OS, based on the latest version of Android. This software is optimized to take full advantage of the powerful hardware, delivering a fast, intuitive, and feature-rich user experience. The Honor GT2 truly is the complete package, blending raw power with style and everyday usability. So, there you have it, a comprehensive first look at the incredible Honor GT2. With its flagship Snapdragon chipset, stunning 3.2K 120Hz display, massive 6,000 mAh battery, and enormous memory and storage options, this phone is a dream come true for power users and gamers. It promises to deliver an unparalleled experience of speed, strength, and style. We are incredibly excited to get our hands on this device for a full review, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. What feature are you most excited about? Let me know down